This is my tutorial for deciles of group data. What are deciles? Each of 10 equal groups into which a population can be divided according to the distribution of values of a particular variable. The figure shows the relationship between deciles and percentile. Deciles are equal to 10, which means the first decile is equal to 10, the second is 20, the third is 30, and so on. The decile aligns to the percentage equal to its value. In the example, there is a table that consists of X, which is the classes, F for frequency, CF for the cumulative frequency. To get the cumulative frequency, you must look at the table first if it is ascending or descending, to determine where you must start. In this example, it is descending. So we'll start at the bottom class and work our way up to the table to get n. N is the total number of data. Add 8 and 7 to get 15. Add 10 and 15 to get 25. Add 25 and 11 to get 36. Add 36 and 14 to get 50. Our n is 50. The first step is finding the position of the decile. After finding the position of the decile, we must get the value. Here is the formula for finding the position. K is the position, n is the total number of data. Multiply k and n divided by 10 to get our position. Formula to get the value. LB stands for the lower boundary of the kth class. N is the total number of data. CBF is the cumulative frequency below. F is the frequency. I is the interval size. Kn is our position. First, to get the LB, subtract the Kn and the CFB and divide it by the FBK. Times it by the interval, and you add the LB to get the value. Apply the formula for the problem. For our first problem, we must find d sub 1. Like I said, find the position first. Our k is 1 and our n is 50. Multiply them and divide by 10. There you get 5. That is the position. Now, we must find the value. Find the position in the table by looking at the cumulative frequency and finding where the 5 fits. If it fits the first class, get the lower limit of the class and subtract it by 0.5. That gives us 0.5. That is our LB. The position is 5, so substitute 5. Our CFB is 0 and our FDK is 8, while our interval size is 10. Subtract 5 and 0, divide 8 and multiply by 10. You get 6.25. Add it with 0.5 and our value is 6.75 for d sub 1. In our next example, we are given d sub 3. Our k is 3 and our n is 50. Multiply them and divide the product by 10 and we get 35. That is our position. Again, get the value. Find its place in the table first and subtract the lower limit with 0.5. So 10.5. Substitute 35 with our position, subtracted with CBF, which is 25, and divide our FDK, which is 7, and multiply by 10. It makes 10. Finally, add 10 and 10.5 to get our value, which is 20.5. That is my tutorial on deciles of group data. Thank you for listening.